smell burnt.
Should I wash that in some fresh water? This is how you clean your drone.
You know you done fucked up when you're actually pouring water on your drone.
Everybody good?
Yep.
Good. Do it.
Hip-hop diet is full of guys who cannot even rap. Facts. Media dividing us by colors, white or black. Facts. If you believe in Jesus, these days Christians get attacked. Facts. If you don't hate police, then everybody thinks you're whack. And everything's so connected. Black Lives Matter got so aggressive. White folks who agree can't support the message. Both sides go to war because they don't respect it. Our social climate from the global tension turned to total violence and a whole depression. We could unify and then I'll go against them, but we let them divide us with votes and elections. Hey, the music we bump, all about shooting guns and doing drugs. Hey, whoa. The things that we want are promoted subliminally through the songs like, you need a fast car, you need designer clothes, you need a rap star to tell you to start popping pills, hit the blunt and go live at the club till you're broke. It's all controlled by the elites, put fake news all over our screens, convincing the right to go fight with the left and distract from the fact it's each other we need. Divided by race and religion, segregated into teams. You a white supremacist. If you're not, I guess you Antifa. Screaming from the rooftops, beat down better. Turn us on each other now, no lives matter. If we do what the news wants, blood gon' splatter. Turn us on each other till no lives matter. Freedom's dead, if you have an opinion, take it back. Facts. People hate the president, if you don't, then you trash. Facts. Indoctrinate the nation using news and mainstream rap. Facts. The government abuses us, it's all part of the plan. Facts. And it's so confusing. Black Lives Matter is a valuable movement, but all lives matter ain't racist or stupid. It's non-black humans who don't feel included. All colors fall under laws that govern the whole country and we all suffer. We're all broke and nobody recovers until we accept that we're all brothers. Hey, the music we make, all about big booties and getting paid. Hey, whoa. We watch the news and it fills up our brains with violence and riots and race. Like this is a race war. You need to hate more. Get what you came for. You need some songs about Xanax and violence so you can escape more. What a vicious cycle we can't break away from. They control the culture, they control the paper. They're indoctrinating a whole generation till the patriots start to hate the nation. The music we love make us dumb and addicted. The news that we watch is brainwashing the children. The viruses, riots, and racist conditions ain't problems, they're symptoms of life in the system. Screaming from the rooftops, beat down better. Turn us on each other now, no lives matter. If we do what the news wants, blood gon' splatter. Turn us on each other till no lives matter. The music will make you dumb, the media makes you hate, and they control them both. There ain't no escape. They put the world in a state of chaos, economy crashing and massive layoffs. Black against white or it's left versus right. Divide and conquer and control is the payoff. Screaming from the rooftops, beat down better. Turn us on each other now, no lives matter. If we do what the news wants, blood gon' splatter. Turn us on each other till no...
Sure. I'd say we'll just unplug the battery and fucking dry it out. Here, yeah, it's not so. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Ah, so that's deeper than it worked. That's
Try to get the battery out like that.
just unplug it right there.
Screaming from the rooftops, beat down better. Turn us on each other now, no lives matter. If we do what the news wants, blood gon' splatter. Turn us on each other till no lives matter.
Anything smell burnt?
Should I wash that in some fresh water?
I would just blow it off, let it dry out. My biggest concern would be the Vista, not the Vista, your Air Unit.
Yes, the real one.
Do those come apart?
What?
Those Air Units?
Yeah.
I would take it apart, let it dry out overnight, blow everything out. Or it could all be dead already.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like,
Screaming from the rooftops, beat down batter. Turn us on each other now, no lives matter. If we do what the news wants, blood gon' splatter. Turn us on each other till no lives matter.
Okay.
I saw you unplugged it under the water. That's good. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, that's what they say you're supposed to do.
I was definitely under the water.
Nothing smells like it cooked, so you might be all right. You know?
I'm gonna put some clean water on it because that's. I think my drone's got the tip now.
Yeah.
Should I pour some clean water on it? Why not? Right?
Yeah,
it's already
guard
wet.
motors, they say.
You're not gonna get it worse.
Yeah, they say at least.
I would pull that Vista off and see if you could split the air unit. See if you could split that case.
Yeah.
So let it dry out. That would be my biggest concern. Yeah, because I mean all this stuff's open to the air, so it's gonna dry out good. The fucking air unit, water's gonna sit in that fucking thing.
Yeah.
This is how you clean your
You know
drone.
you done fucked up when you're actually pouring water on your drone.
Yeah,